Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up screen time on Xbox One. To begin, you'll want to access the family settings either directly on your Xbox console or through the convenient Xbox Family Settings app on your mobile device. This central hub allows you to manage screen time and content for each child's account. It's a straightforward process to ensure a safe and balanced gaming experience for everyone in your family. Once in the family settings, you can establish daily screen time limits. You have the flexibility to set different durations for weekdays versus weekends, tailoring the schedule to your family's routine. For example, you might allow 2 hours on school nights and 3 hours on Saturdays. These limits help promote healthy gaming habits and ensure time for other activities. Beyond just time, you can also control the content your children access. Set age restrictions to block games and apps that are not suitable for them. Additionally, you can filter web content when using the Microsoft Edge browser on the Xbox. This helps create a safer online environment and prevents accidental or unauthorized purchases, giving you greater peace of mind. Life happens, and sometimes you might want to grant a little extra screen time. You can easily do this directly from your phone using the Family Settings app. The app also provides activity reports, allowing you to monitor usage and see what games are being played. You'll receive notifications for any screen time requests, keeping you informed and in control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.